Hello, welcome to my channel once again. Now, today we are going to look at another business strategy. Today, technique we're going to look at is going to be how to actually start a business. Most of the things that people do when they want to start businesses are to first and foremost go get themselves a shop, pile it up with inventories of goods they feel like selling, and then start marketing to get customers. Now, this is not really a bad idea, but the problem with this is that most times the process of trying to get customers could be very tedious, and you may end up not actually getting people that you want and getting them as much as you want. And because of that, you may have issues with pricing in order to attract customers or to get customers from your competitors. But there's another technique which I have been using in most of my businesses, and that is trying to get the market, trying to get the customers first before actually selling the goods. And this is what Gary Albert said in his book. If you want to start a restaurant, you first look for a starving crowd. You don't look for a good location. You don't look for the money to fill up the store or buy goods and start cooking. First and foremost, what you look for is a starving crowd. So if you need something like that, all you need to first of all is to move around, go to a vicinity where you have a lot of employees, people that are working. They come to work early in the morning and they're going to go back late at night or late evenings. And such people need to eat lunch. They need to eat breakfast. Most of them leave homes without eating. So you go to such neighborhood and you set up a place for them to eat. You may not even open up a shop by spending money to get a shop. You could just drop a table, bring your food in a cooler, and then when it's time for break, whenever the opportunity, will all run out and come to eat. You may be the only one. You may not even be able to serve them. So you find out that your food finishes before you know it. You have a starving crowd, and you can keep on, start small and increase the capacity until you are able to have more than or enough for as much as you can. Of course, there'll be competition, but before the competition comes, you must have had your big piece of the pie, or then innovated for better things, like maybe adding special food that others do not have. But even if there are other people also there, it's not really a problem, because those ones can already, the crowd is there and they cannot even meet up with it. So look for a starving crowd before you start any business. If you want to start a business center, don't open it up in a place that you have to start looking for customers to come over. Go to a school environment where there is online registration regularly, or still where there are a lot of workers who do a lot of jobs that have to start type, call members and all that, where they do a lot of computer related businesses. So think of what you're going to think of, where your customers are first before you provide services for them. Then you must not also focus just on their needs. You can also focus on their wants. If they are going to eat people like to eat okra soup, melon soup, or whatever, you can decide to add special delicacies that is known for that area, and you can be the only one providing amala. That's a special delicacy in that area, and people will love to come and eat from you. All right, so take this point and ensure that you start your business now. Have a good day. You can still subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscribe button and click on the bell so that you'll be notified anytime you have a new mail. I have decided to make sure that I give people information and ideas on how to grow businesses on my channel. Come back next time and have a feel. Have a good day.